So all of my apps kind of follow the same type of model where you can download them, you plug in your Maximo URL, username, and password, and you can start using the apps with your Maximo environment. So the 4 apps, the first app is a mobile workflow approval app. So a lot of times in Maximo you'll get assigned a task that you need to either accept or reject, be it a purchase requisition that you as a manager need to approve, or a work order, or any type of record that can be electronically workflowed in Maximo. You have an inbox in your Maximo environment that you can log into and take action on. Now you can do it from your phone with our MxApprove app. The second one is a meter-based app. It's for typically for like equipment operators or folks that have to go and take meter readings at various intervals, either throughout the day or throughout the course of their job. Readings could be anything from temperature readings to pressure readings, vibration readings, but instead of writing those readings down on a sheet of paper and then coming back to a desk to transcribe them into a system, or in some cases you're looking at people that have paper forms that fill them out on a form and stick them in a file cabinet. And that way if the auditors come by, you know, a year or 2 later, you're sifting through the file cabinet looking for that sheet of paper that you did 2 years ago. So this allows you to A, capture the reading right at the point of standing in front of the equipment, and then B, file it electronically within Maximo, within your asset management system. You can start doing things like condition monitoring and more proactive maintenance with some of this data than you would if the data was on a sheet of paper in a file cabinet. Our third app is MxAdmin. Allows you to view the real-time status of your Maximo environment. So if you're a system administrator and you need to make sure that that PM cron task ran last night, or you need to make sure that, you know, the database connections are being used efficiently, or anything to do with system administration, you can do that right within the app as far as viewing the real-time status of the environment. And then the last one is called MxReserve. It's a mobile inventory shopping cart for Maximo. So imagine that you need parts to do your job. You've almost got an Amazon.com for Maximo here, where you can go search for through a catalog of items. You'll get little pictures of the items and their availability in storerooms throughout the organization. And then you can add items to your shopping cart and go check out and create reservations for those items.